Hello dear student, in class 7 exercise 2.1 we are in question number 3. So according to the question, in a magic square the sum of the number in each row, in each column and the diagonal is the same. Okay, so is this a magic square? So here the square is already given, some numbers are there. So what you are supposed to do, you have to calculate the sum row wise, column wise and the diagonal side. So now we start solving question number 3. So here in question number 3 of exercise 2.1, this one is the row 1, row 2 and row 3, because row wise we will do the calculation. Column 1, column 2, column 3, and this side these values belong to diagonal 1, these value belong to diagonal 2. Now we start in the row first. 3 values are given, 4 upon 11, you have to do their sum, because in the question we need to check sum according to row, column and diagonal wise. So in the first row 3 values are there, so you have to write as it is 4 upon 11, 9 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. So denominators values are same, so calculations very easy. 11 write as it is, do the addition there. Here 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 2 15. Then going into the next row, so in the second row as usual you write the values. Now here 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, so it is 15 upon 11. Now in the third row you write the values first, then 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 upon 11. So in every row we got the same value. Now it's a time to check column. So column side we will check. This is the first column, write the value as it is, 4 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11 plus 8 upon 11. 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 4 15. So here in the C1 our answer is 15 upon 11. Then for second column we will check the values, 9 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and 1 upon 11. So you write that 9 upon 11, 5 upon 11 plus 1 upon 11. So here 9 plus 5, it is 14, and here 1 is 15. Now we will go for the third column. So first we will check the values, 2 upon 11, 7 upon and 6 upon 11. So we write that 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. So their answer you have to check, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 upon 11. So all the column and rows values are same if you do the addition. Now we will solve diagonal 1. So in the first diagonal these are the values, so that you have to write. So their values are 4 upon 11 plus 5 upon 11 plus 6 upon 11. So their addition is again same. Then we will go same way, second diagonal. I will show you the value, 2 upon 11, 5 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. While writing this, as you know, we are doing addition, so you can write in any order. 2 upon 11 plus 5, 11 plus 8 upon 11. So here you can check 5 plus 2 7 plus 8 15, 15, 15 upon 11. So in all the rows, column and diagonal we are getting the same value, hence it is a magic square. So this is the answer of question number 3. After that we will go to the next question. In class 7 exercise 2.1 question number 4. A rectangle sheet is there. Okay, we assume this is the rectangle sheet. In this rectangle sheet of paper, 12 1/2 centimeter it is long. 12 1/2 centimeter long, and it is wide is 10 2/3 centimeter wide. So what happened? We have to calculate perimeter. So perimeter formula that we will see here, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 length plus breadth. Okay, so here the length is given and this is nothing but the breadth. So in this question we have the value, that is the length equal to 12 1/2 centimeter. So we have to convert into fraction. 12 into 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 25/2, and next one is wide. It is nothing but 10 2/3. So it is 10 into 2, 10 into 3 is 30, 30 plus 2 is 32/3. Now we put this value in the formula. Perimeter is 2 into L, 25/2 plus breadth is 32/3. So these are the values equals to. So here I want to do their cross multiplication. So 3 into 2, you can do downside 6. 25 into 3 plus 32 into 2. So 25 into 3 is 75 plus 64/6. So it is nothing but, you do their addition, 5 plus 4 9, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13/6. Here 2 can be, 2 is a divisible, you can divide 6/2 here. So here 2 ones are 1, 2 threes are 6. So it is 139/3. So here 139 can be divided by 3. Okay, so you have to divide this number by 3. So 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 4 is 12. So you have to write 4, downside 1, take that 9. 3 into 6 is 18 and downside 1 will come. So we have converted into mixed fraction. So it is written as 46 1/3 centimeter. That is the perimeter. So you can say here perimeter of the rectangle sheet of paper is 46 1/3 centimeter. This is the answer. Now we are going into next question. So in this question, find the perimeter, and for this we have to find perimeter of this triangle ABE as well as rectangle also BCDE, whose perimeter is greater. So we have to find perimeter of triangle, perimeter of rectangle, and then we have to check which perimeter is greater. So let's get started. So the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of, first we start triangle. Perimeter of triangle ABE, it's quite simple, all the side addition. So AB plus BE plus AE, these are all the side. Finally we put the values. AB value is 5/2, BE value is 2, 3/4, last value is 3, 3/5. These are the values, and these are the values in centimeter. So 5 upon 2 as it is we write. Here you convert into fraction. 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 upon 4. 5 into 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 18 upon 5. And now here you can get their LCM. So for making denominator same, so you can calculate LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So here these three numbers are there. Biggest number is 5, which is not divisible by 2, which is not divisible by 4. Okay, if you do here 5 into 2, that is 10. 10 is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 4. And if you do 5 into 3 15, again not divisible by 4. 5 into 4 is 20, that is 20. 20 is divisible by 2 and 4. Okay, so here our answer is 20. It means the LCM is 20. And then in the denominator now you have to use 20. So here 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2 can be written as, forgetting 20, it is 2 into 10. Upside 5 into 10. So 2 into 10 is 20. 5 into 10 is 50. This is the first value. And then second is 11 by 4. 4 into 5 20. 11 into 5 it is 20. 11 into 5 is 55. So this is what second value. So in this way we will do third value. 18 by 5, it is nothing but 5 into 4, 18 into 4. So 5 into 4 is 20. Then here 18 into 4 also you do 72. So these are the values. So finally we are ready to do their addition. First value was 50 by 20 plus 55 by 20, 72 by 20. So it is nothing but 20 downside. Here you can do their addition. 50, 55, 72. So it is 55, 50 and 72. 50, 55 and 72. That addition you have to do. 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 5 10 plus 7 177. So your answer is 177 by 20. So finally you can do division. 177 by 20. So you have to divide this number by 20. So here you have to do multiplication. If you do 20 into 8, it is 160. So 8, here 160 will be there. Here 7 as it is, 7 minus 6 1. So your answer is 8 17 upon 20 centimeter. Now here we got the perimeter of triangle. Now the perimeter of rectangle. It means perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So it is 2 into L plus B. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Finally we are ready to put the values. So here the length is 2 3 upon 4 plus the breadth is 7 upon 6. Okay, so here you do their calculation, equal to nothing but 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Okay, so now here 2 as it is we are writing. So here you can do their denominators are different. So 6 into 4 is 24. 11 into 6 is 66 plus 7 into 4 is 28. So it is nothing but 8 plus 6, it is 14, 1 carry, so here 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 9, 94 upon 24. So here 2 ones are 1, 2 12s are 24, so it is nothing but 94 upon 12. Again you can both the number are divisible by 2, so 2 6 are 12, and here 2 4s are 8, 1 remainder, so 2 7s are 14. So finally 47 by 6. You can convert into the mixed fraction. So 47 divided by 6. So 6 into 7 is 42. Okay. So here the remainder will be 5. So here your answer is 7 5 6. This is the perimeter of rectangle, and in this question we got the perimeter of triangle 8 something and here 7 something, that is the meaning. So 8 something is definitely more than 7, so as 8 17 upon 20 is greater than 7 5 upon 6, it means perimeter of triangle, the triangle name is ABE, is greater. This is the answer of this question. I hope friend you understood this. Thanks for